Let's try solving a few compound inequalities. Sometimes a compound inequality using an AND statement could be written as a three-part statement. Negative 13 is less than 2x minus 5 is less than 7. This could also be read, the difference of 2x and 5 is greater than negative 13 and also less than 7. You solve these just like any other inequality, just like any other equation. The only difference is instead of having two sides, you have all three sides. Let's consider how we could use that type of format to write an inequality for something like this problem. The weather forecast for today has a low of 39 and a high of 67. What compound inequality describes the range of temperatures for the day? Well, we could say that the temperature is greater than or equal to 39, and it's also true that today's temperature is less than or equal to 67. However, another way to write that would be to say that the temperature is in between 39 and 67. Note the direction of the inequalities, where x is greater than the small one and smaller than the big end. You could also consider bacteria growing in food. Sounds lovely when the temperature is between about 45 degrees and 110 degrees. Prime growing conditions for bacteria. You can safely store the food above or below that range. Let's write a compound inequality to represent where you can safely store your food. Well, we know that the temperature could be below 45, think refrigerator. And we know that the temperature could be above 110, think heat lamps at McDonald's. What word would we use to join these inequalities? Well, obviously it can't be both things at the same time. It would have to be one or the other. Finally, let's try solving an actual inequality. When you have a problem like this, your process will be to solve the first one, solve the second one, and then compare what you've got. Pause the video, take a minute, and see if you can figure out what the solution would be. Here's the solution to this set of inequalities. Since it can be one or the other, and every point on the number line would be on either one of the two inequalities, our solution is the entire number line. Now try solving this compound inequality. Notice it is a three-part inequality. This would have been an AND statement. Pause the video, try this one. And here is your solution. Add 3. Divide all three sides by -2. Notice that that does reverse the inequality symbols. You can rewrite that so it makes a little bit more logical sense, and then the inequality would run from -2 through +1.